sorry guys, the same thing happened again. I literally deleted a couple of my videos and stupid storage let down on me again. Yeah, people should make their devices have infinity storage. If there was infinity storage, I don't even have to worry about taking really, really long videos. Because it won't even waste up a gigabyte of my space because I have infinity space. Yeah, people should make their devices like that. Yeah, there you go, that's brighter. That's better to see these guys. Look at them. They're two super dog cicadas. I found, yeah, they're two super dog cicadas. One is a female. See, you can kind of see there's no drums underneath. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, you can kind of see there's no drums. Yeah, don't mind if the camera's a bit laggy. It's just totally normal things with apps, but you can kind of see this one doesn't have any drums. It's a female. Female super dog cicada. There's two females. That's a female. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah, never caught two of these awesome cicadas. They're pretty much decent sized cicadas. These guys are not really that big. They're only like 1.5 inches. Maybe a little bit bigger. Okay, here's the boy. Hear the noise? That's what, yeah, and you can kind of see the drums. Yeah. There's the female. You can hear that sound? That's the boy. It's a boy. I caught a female and a male cicada. I usually catch females. I usually catch the males of the species. There they go. Two cicadas on the move. Trying to look for a spot to land. Yeah, there. Oh. One flew. The female is not flying. The female's not flying. She's just wandering around. She'll eventually take off. But it's taking a long time. I think she's stopping to fly away. There's the male. You can kind of see her wings. Her wings. I think I know how to do this thing. I put cicadas on their backs on here. I love to put cicadas on their backs right here. Makes them have a little soundtrack. Well, that guy didn't stay on there for really long. This female. No. He's pretty hot. Gotta get this on the mail. It's hard to reach. Got a school bus. There's the female right there. Guess there's only room for one. It's stupid out of focus. Won't even give me a break. The male is more powerful. There's a cicada on my pants. I'm filming.
Don't post any of that on YouTube, dude.
What?
It might be considered cruelty to animals. Don't want to post this stuff on YouTube. Let them go.
But I'm a vlogger. gonna edit that part. I'll always see at the end of the video, at least for now. I'm just gonna leave it at least. Okay, guys. Okay, it's time to end the video right here. Bye, guys. So, that was really good.